Dear friends, good morning. I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme Move from competition to contribution. Often, human progress is associated with competition. As nations race to innovate, businesses strive to outdo rivals, and individuals seek to prove their worth. Even though competition can sharpen skills and drive achievement, it also breeds comparison, insecurity, and division. The higher path is moving from competition to contribution. The shift involved here is not abandoning excellence, but about redefining success as service, collaboration, and impact. Competition has significant limitations. First, competition stresses comparison over creativity because it forces individuals to measure themselves against others rather than exploring their unique gifts. Second, competition emphasizes scarcity mindset as it assumes that success is limited and that one person's gain is another's loss. Third, competition breeds stress and alienation, as constant rivalry can erode relationships, foster jealousy, and diminish joy. As a result of these limitations, though competition produces winners, it also inevitably creates losers. And the cycle of winning and losing can fracture communities and stifle collective growth. In contrast, contribution is a great power. It is rooted in abundance as it is concerned about giving and using your talents to serve others. First, contribution brings collaboration over rivalry as it thrives in teamwork where diverse strengths complement each other. Second, contribution carries purpose-driven success as true fulfillment does not come from defeating others but from uplifting them. Third, contribution ripple outward, leaving a legacy of impact as it shapes lives long after the moment of giving. When individuals focus on contribution, society benefits from shared wisdom, compassion, and innovation. Competition is about proving I am better than you. Contribution is about affirming we are better together. Competition ends when the race is won. Contribution endures because its fruits are shared. Hence, to move from competition to contribution is to embrace a higher calling. It is to recognize that our worth lies not in surpassing others, but in serving them. In this shift, we discover joy without rivalry, success without comparison, and meaning without end. As a matter of fact, the world does not need more competitors, but it needs contributors who see life not as a battlefield, but as a garden to cultivate together. Thus, when you move your focus from competition to contribution, life becomes a celebration. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.